And we are back, joined today by Austin Kennedy, Kevin Shannon, both attorneys with the Bryant Law Center, taking your questions on big rig truck accidents. And Kevin, the first question is going to be for you.
All righty.
Is there any difference between a car wreck and a truck accident?
Well, obviously, you've got the practical differences. Trucks are much bigger, operating generally at higher speeds. The likelihood of more significant damage involving tractor-trailer accidents. But as far as the law goes, there are federal regulations that apply to tractor-trailers that don't apply to just regular passenger cars. So there are a few differences, but beyond the obvious ones, there's a lot of similarities. Tractor-trailer drivers have to exercise reasonable care. They got to pay attention. They got to drive no faster than is safe for the road conditions. And you, as a driver of your passenger car, have the same obligations as you would just out on regular roads as opposed to interstates. So I'd say, as a practical matter, there are big differences. There are some legal differences as well. One of the main differences, though, is you really probably do need to get a lawyer involved sooner as opposed to later on big rig tractor-trailer accidents.
Okay. Excellent advice. Thank you. Okay, Austin, next question. How soon do I need to file a claim if I'm in a wreck with a tractor-trailer?
Well, the statute of limitations is still going to be dictated by the state that you are in. And for Kentucky, for example, it's still going to be you have to file a lawsuit within 2 years of the date of the accident or 2 years from the date of the last PIP payment, whichever is later. But the big, I guess, the real question on that, the real issue is that you need to contact a lawyer sooner, in my opinion, in tractor-trailer cases because of the issues you have with discovery and getting certain documents, materials, videos. A lot of that stuff in tractor-trailers can disappear pretty quickly, and it's really important evidence. So whether it's a dash cam video in the tractor-trailer, or it's bills of lading, or shipping agreements, or insurance policies, all that stuff needs to be taken into account, and an experienced lawyer is going to go to work on that pretty quickly, send out preservation letters to make sure that evidence is not destroyed, make sure that the insurance company or the company itself retains those documents or those videos so that you can use those, I guess, in discovery later on.
Okay, all right. Good information. We've got about 20 seconds to answer this one. So are there federal laws and regulations that truck drivers and trucking companies have to follow? Kevin?
Yeah, I'll take that one. Yes, there are, and everything from the pre-hiring process where you vet a particular tractor-trailer driver to the training that you give them before you put them out on the road. All the way to the hours of service while they're out there on the road and the inspections they do on their trucks. So all kinds of things that apply to truck drivers that don't apply to just regular passenger car operators.
All right. Excellent. Well, they are going to be back, Kevin and Austin, so stay tuned for more information from Bryant Law Center and Legal Line.